I'm Mary Kay, and this is Chuck.
I'm Chuck.
I've been living tiny for 3.5 years. This furniture is really cool because you can buy parts to it and extend it or change the cover. I already changed this cover once. Storage underneath, so you can store stuff in there. Also, the floor is storage. So these lift up, and we have like winter stuff we haven't gotten out yet. Back here is where we hang the coats. They're there, and then there's cubbies for storage. I originally went tiny because I retired early, and my grandsons moved with their dad a lot, and I wanted to follow them. So I got wheels, and whenever like the grandkids moved, I could move too. And now it's like I can move to wherever I want to live.
And we did.
And here it is. This is a dining room. It's a fold-out table, a IKEA table. And then one person sits on these steps and one sits on that steps. And then if there's a third person, we got that thing there. And the dog beds are over there. That one just had ear surgery, so she's miserable. You can store food in there. But it's also our ladder or whatever to reach high things. The ceiling is really high here. It's 11 feet. That's the door to the bathroom. And I'm from Guam, and that's the shape of the island of Guam. I made it, cut it out, and put it on there to remind me.
Now the bathroom, we didn't have to like compromise. You got a full shower.
It's a full-size bathroom.
On demand, you know, hot water heater.
Washer dryer here, and then storage back in there, which is nice. And it's a full-size shower. It's Galvalume, I think he calls it. We don't have any problems with moisture in Colorado. We did in Florida, and so I had a dehumidifier, but haven't needed it yet here. I don't think I ever will. It's so dry. I did not want a composting toilet. I didn't want to deal with emptying pee. There's 2 lofts. This is considered a loft, but you can stand up in it. So I love it. This is why I bought this house. I came, just was looking at them, and I wanted one you could stand up. Now people say this is just a landing. What else is in your room? A bed and some place to stand. And I have a great closet that's jam full. Little opening over there where the mini split, so we can get the air that comes in. We have a fan to blow it in. I love that I can stand up. That's my favorite part. And my favorite part of my whole house is I can stand up. When they sold it, it was called the full house. So you could have kids. This would be the kid loft. And it really does work. My grandsons used to visit and stay. I have a bed, futon bed back there.
People try to give me stuff. I think, I live in a tiny house.
There's no room.
You know, I'm not collecting anything anymore.
I don't really have a lot of things anyway. I mean, you find out you do when you try to put them in here, but see, it wasn't hard to part with anything. It wasn't hard to downsize. So I built this patio in the deck. We just finished the railings. I'm not quite done. And these I got from a neighbor in Florida at an RV park. They were so cool. He said, make a bench over here so we can sit by the barbecue pit. My grandson made this awning for me, and the sun comes in here and it's real bright, so it helps a lot. And you can still see the mountains, so. This is where I work. I bring everything over here, my saw's over there. I asked Andrew to give me a toolbox, so they made this for me. I made that for just other storage of tools and everything, but right now it's holding our propane tank. And then I built this thing to cover all the ugly wiring down under there. It comes off. I made these shutters out of pallet wood, and that's why nothing is perfect, because that's how pallet wood is. And when you travel, if you close it, then you don't have to worry about your windows breaking.
They're doing a great job. I like the community. It's, you know, because if you're in an RV park, you can turn into a Jerry Springer show. Seriously, I mean the drama and stuff. And around here you hear buzzsaws, people are, you know, helping each other. And it's good.
Yeah. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming.